This is Roam's current kit lineup. These are kits that have a specific configuration that we recommend. Today I'm just going to give you a brief introduction to each one so you get an idea kind of what problem they solve. Keep in mind you can always configure your own kit. This might be a useful way to get you started. This is the Roam Freefoil Kit. It's our flagship kit. It's what got Roam started, put us on the map. If you want to explore on a pump foil, go long distances, hop from rock to rock, island to island, beach to beach. If you want to adventure on a pump foil, that's the one. This is the Universal Kit. If the Freefoil solves the adventure problems, the Universal solves a little bit of everything. A little bit of adventure, pumping around the docks. You can ride it in waves. You can wake thief with it. You can do downwinders with it. It's just a wonderful general setup. It's also great for learning on. If you're into a lot of things and you can't decide and you're about my weight, this is going to be ideal. We offer the Roam Lite Kit as well, and it's just the Roam Universal Kit with a 60 aluminum mass versus a carbon mass. That's why we're able to sell it for that much cheaper. Now, this is the Roam Starter Kit for lighter people under 65 kilograms. It's kind of like the Roam Universal Kit, but for sub 65 kilogram range. Not only that, it's our most affordable kit at about $1,499 US, including shipping. What makes us able to hit that price point is it's got an aluminum mast. Otherwise, all the other pieces are the same or similar to the other kits. And you can get away with an aluminum mast when you're lighter because the sway won't affect you as much on the aluminum. Aluminums are harder for us to make stiff without making them way too heavy and bulky. So light riders, rejoice. You can get away with the aluminum. Just now, we're introducing the Roam Scoop Foil. Two of the most important things worth noting about the Scoop Foil Kit. This will be your easiest way to learn pump foiling by far. What takes a pump foiler weeks to months to learn, you'll learn in days on this. That's how much easier it is to have that handlebar. So, and the other thing is, people that have flexibility issues, that struggle to do the dock starts where they have to get their legs up and their feet up and in position, if you're a little stiffer, you can join the game now with a scoop foil. You can take off the handle and you can have it as a normal pump foil, and it has mounts for foot straps so you can do toe-ins. One thing I want to say about the scoop foil is if you've ever done pump track in a bike park, it feels like that. It feels like a pump track in a bike park, but it's a kind of a DIY pump track where you get to choose your own adventure. You're making the pump track as you go. So you're just pumping around light. It's the same stance as a pump bike. You get to feel that exact same experience of pumping up and down rollers, and you can make your own berms. So you're just carving. It's such a fun, different experience. This is a first of its kind. We're fusing pump boards and prone boards into a pump and prone. We've designed this specifically for beach starting, efficient pumping, and when the waves pick up, you can catch waves and surf them in. So say you get stuck outside from beach starting and you're like, oh, okay, well, normally we'd swim back, which is fine. But if the waves are big enough, if there's anything crumbling out there, all you need is a boost from the wave, just a little boost to get you back up on foil, and then you're out foiling again. Now remember, some of the wings we use with beach start foil surfing are bigger. So you're out there for 5, 10, 15, sometimes 20 minutes at a time for one little boost. When the waves do pick up, shrink your front foil, prone it like all those gnarly proning dudes. Pump and prone. Now you have an even wider range of waves you can tackle. So that's it. Problems being solved. Everything pumping.